For the ÖV-Güteklassen tool, you'll need a polygon layer representing your area of interest. For a detailed guide on adding layers and filtering out areas, please watch our adding a layer and filtering videos. This tool visualizes the quality of the available public transport services in our study area. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel and select Accessibility Indicators, then pick ÖV-Güteklassen. Set the desired day and time window for the analysis. Then choose the layer which represents the area where you want to calculate the indicator and choose the catchment area type. Then press Run. Buffer configuration type represents areas around public transport stations measured on the fly, while network configuration account for the same distance along real-world street networks. The analysis produces two result layers. The ÖV-Güteklassen stations contains all public transport stations within area of interest. The ÖV-Güteklassen layer contains color-coded buffer areas surrounding stations. These highlight the quality of public transport available in that area. You can find more information about the classification of the quality classes in our GOAT documentation. On the left side panel, you can hide and rearrange the layers. Clicking on a station reveals its category, which reflects the type and frequency of public transport available there during the specified time window. Clicking on a polygon feature reveals its calculated public transport class, with classification ranging from A for very good to F for very basic services. The result polygon layer is automatically styled based on the quality classes. Find more information about them in our GOAT documentation. The layer's legends can be found on the left side panel at Legend section.